Good morning to everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about a very important topic, gaseous fuels, its properties and its uses to the public domain, etc. So, gaseous fuels are obtained either naturally or by the treatment of solid or liquid fuel. Among the naturally occurring gaseous fuels, natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas, and compressed natural gas LPG, CNG are most important in our day-to-day life. These gases have very high calorific value. In general, gaseous fuels are primarily a hydrocarbon material such as methane, propane, hydrogen, etc. Carbon monoxide like that. So high calorific value, clean burning and ease of transportation through pipelines, etc. So these are some of the main characteristics of uh, gaseous fuels, and mainly compressed natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas are some of the main types in that. Okay, so mainly methane has its composition eco-friendly, burns completely, and it's lighter than air, CNG. For LPG, C3HA, that means propane and butane, C4H10 materials, okay, which is having very high calorific value. It can be liquefied under moderate pressure, making it high, portable, and easy to store in cylinders. So characteristics of gaseous fuels is do not leave any residue after burning. So that's very important of gaseous fuels properties. So gaseous fuels burn without any smoke. That's very important. One of the key properties here. Gaseous fuels have higher calorific values as we already discussed as compared to the solid fuels. So gaseous fuels have relatively low ignition temperature, and so it burn more easily than solid fuels. So it is free from solid and liquid impurities. So gaseous fuels are often less expensive as comparing with solid and liquid fuels. So this is a very important point in which most preferably yeah, even researchers are more interested on exploring more application from gaseous fuels, etc. Okay, they can be conveyed easily through pipeline. So this is also very user friendly, which can be uh, used in a very simple way for public. So liquefied petroleum gas, LPG is obtained during the fractional distillation of crude oil. So, even LPG is stored and transported easily in cylinders. So, that we know very well in day to day life, LPG gases are used uh, in home for the commercial purposes. The average composition of LPG is propane 24.7%, butane 38.5%, isobutane 36.7, and others very minimum zero point 0.1 around. So as we already discussed, which is having a better calorific value, 27,800 kilocalories. Okay, so what are all the properties? So generally, as we already discussed, it is well known that LPG is easily controllable. So it's uh, helps consumers to cook with desired heat or flame intensity. It is readily liquefied under moderate pressure. As a liquid, it looks a lot like water. Simply, it looks like a water. They mean that it is colorless and odorless in its natural state. Generally, it don't have any color or odor. So at atmospheric temperature and pressure, LPG at atmospheric temperature and pressure is a gas which is 1.5 to 2 times heavier than air. So this is very important point. It is very heavier than air, they mean. Okay. So for this reason, it has many application. So uses. It is used as domestic and industrial fuel. It is also used as motor fuel. LPG is also used as a fuel and in internal combustion engine, etc. So it is also a domestic cooking, residential heating, and portable camping stoves, etc. They can be used in many ways. So, so these are some of the properties of LPG and its uses. So thank you so much.